Like lean is not just focusing on the efficiency, it's really taking in the people and developing the people and having the people give back to the company. And that over time gives a lot of results.
What is the Lean Summit? The Lean Summit is our annual conference where members of the Lean community from all around the country, all around the world really, from different industries come together to hear the latest about lean thinking, what we're learning, how we're applying it to today's business challenges.
We are in a lean journey in our company, and we are now 2 years on the journey. So we need to learn more about how to implement lean and get better concepts.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Really doing reflections to improve the PDCA process and doing it more frequently and using those reflections to identify when to let go of projects and when to move projects into our management system.
I'm going to reinforce the Gamma sessions to be what I should envision it to be, and just have more frequent day-to-day touch points around my processes.
I would say kind of the theme that's been really pinging off of me and where I'm at in my journey is just all the concept of coaching and how important that is and how to do that skillfully.
What excites me is getting a chance to reconnect with people that I haven't seen in a while, getting to hear about experiments with lean in industry that I may be unaware of, or that I'm aware of, but some things have happened since my last update. I'm always interested to hear what people are learning or experimenting with these ideas, kind of what's new. Again, we're going to continue to explore kind of the frontiers of lean thinking as business continues to change and evolve. Here's where you'll hear about what people are learning and experimenting with to kind of keep up with what are today's and tomorrow's business challenges.